Hi guys!
Welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Traveler's Journal by Isha and Pranjal.
And today we are going for skiing!
We are going for skiing at the Shawnee Mountain Ski Area, which is in New Jersey.
We have booked a rental car. We'll be going to LaGuardia Airport to pick it up, and from there it's gonna take us around 1.5 hours to reach. So let's get started!
We have finally reached the Shawnee Ski Resort.
A lot of people have come. I think it's gonna get really crowded, so we must better hurry.
We have taken $130 per person package. Since it's my first time, we have taken the beginners package where we'll have 30-minute session for training and then we'll go out in the open to ski. Our package includes the lift, but it doesn't include helmet. So we have paid $15 per person extra for the helmet. I think you can see over there, that's the area we'll be going. We have finally reached the main entrance and you can see behind me there's a huge line for the rentals. We'll have to wait I think for 1 hour at least to get to the front. This is the map for the Shawnee Mountain Skiing Area. First we'll go to the learning center, which is also known as carpet area. We'll get our training there, and I think for my first time I'll be just roaming around this area, but the one who's experienced goes up and comes down. So that's how this whole area looks like. You have to first fill a form over here and then you'll get forms like these to get your ski equipments and helmet. Then waiting in the line, you have to go to the rental shop to get your equipments. We are taking this lane 1, which is for lessons, because we have taken the beginners lesson package. We are glad to see that there is no line over here and others are standing in this huge line. After filling the form, you just have to get your skiing boots, ski equipments. To keep your shoes and other stuff, you need to get a locker over here. Moving to the next counter, you will get your skis or snowboard, whatever you have chosen. So I am taking my skis from here. This is the training area and we are just getting our session over here. Finally done with the practice. Let me quickly show you how this whole ski area looks like. That is the practice area. People wearing yellow are the trainers. Once you are done with your practice, all the beginners can practice over here. You can go to the top through that and come down sliding from there. If you are really experienced, you can use the lift. The blue thing, that's the lift. It will take you up there. You can see the people over there coming down. That's a really steep one, so I don't think I'll be going up there today because this is my first time. You can see all the people down there are falling. Pranjal. Going to the top of the court area and we'll be sliding from the top now. Many people are just falling down. Let's see how I'll be. There goes Pranjal from the top.
been 1.5 hours since we have been skiing.
Have fallen down for like million times.
Yeah.
And I'm really done for the day. Today was like just a day to fall.
Yeah, and I guess that's how you learn. You did a pretty good job.
But Pranjal, I see Pranjal has been doing really good. He has been going on the top and coming down without falling. And I have been like taking half an hour just to cover a small part. And it's like really difficult for a first timer.
I went there almost 4 times, out of which 2 times I didn't fall at all. I felt as if I had really achieved something because I didn't fall. So that was a big deal for me. We are finally done with our skiing and we are heading back home.
With this, we are ending our vlog. Thank you guys for watching our video.
Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
The Traveler's Journal by Isha and Pranjal.